welcome to Earnest English. Today, we will talk about one of the most famous self-help books in the world, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is not just about making money. It's about thinking in the right way to succeed in life. As you listen to the story-style summary, you will also learn English naturally. You will hear new words, simple sentences, and real ideas to help you grow. So, relax, listen carefully, and let's begin. This book teaches one main idea. What you think about most often becomes your reality. Napoleon Hill spent 25 years talking to rich and successful people like Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and Andrew Carnegie. He wanted to learn one thing. Why are some people rich and others not? He found that rich people think in a different way. They are not lucky. They follow certain steps in life. In this summary, we will learn those steps in simple English so you can use them too. 1. Desire. Know what you want. The first step is to want something strongly. You must have a clear and burning desire. Do not say, "I want more money." Instead, say, "I want to earn $5,000 a month by the end of this year." Write it down. Say it every day. This helps your brain focus. People who know exactly what they want usually find a way to get it. 2. Faith. Believe in yourself. Faith means believing that what you want is possible. You don't need to see the whole path. You just need to trust that you can do it. When you believe, your actions change. You walk differently. You talk with more power. You make better choices. Tell yourself every day, "I can do this. I will succeed. I believe in myself." 3. Autosuggestion. Repeat positive thoughts. Autosuggestion means saying the same helpful thought again and again. For example, "I am getting better every day. I am confident and strong. I am building a better future." Say it in the morning. Say it before sleep. Your brain listens and starts to believe it. 4. Specialized knowledge. Learn what you need. You do not need to know everything. You just need the right kind of knowledge for your goal. For example, if you want to start a bakery, you don't need to know chemistry. You need to learn about baking, pricing, and customer service. Learn a little every day. Over time, it becomes your power. 5. Imagination. Use your mind to create ideas. Your mind is powerful. You can use it to create new ideas. If something doesn't work, use your imagination. Ask yourself, "What else can I do?" Many successful people became rich by thinking differently. New ideas are the key to success. 6. Organize planning. Take action with a plan. A dream is not enough. You need a plan. Even a simple plan is better than no plan. Write it down. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Then take action. If the plan fails, change the plan, not the goal. 7. Decision. Be quick and clear. Successful people make decisions quickly and clearly. They do not wait forever. They do not ask 10 people for advice. They think, they decide, and they move forward. Every time you delay a decision, you lose energy and time. Be bold. Be clear. Decide. 8. Persistence. Keep going. Many people quit too soon. They stop after a small failure. Napoleon Hill says, "Success is often just one step beyond failure." Keep going, even if it's hard. Be patient. Be strong. Be consistent. Winners are simply people who never gave up. 9. The mastermind. Work with others. A mastermind is a group of people who support each other. They share ideas. They give feedback. They help each other grow. Find people who have the same goals. Talk to them often. Listen and learn. Together, you grow faster. 10. The subconscious mind. Train your inner thoughts. Your subconscious mind is always working, even when you sleep. Fill it with positive thoughts. Avoid negative people and bad news. The more you repeat good thoughts, the more your inner mind helps you succeed. Think good. Feel good. Do good. 11. The brain. Your mind sends and receives energy. Hill says our brain is like a radio. It can send and receive thoughts. When you think about success all day, your brain attracts people, ideas, and chances that help you grow. You start seeing opportunities everywhere. 12. The sixth sense. Listen to your intuition. Sometimes, you just know something. That quiet feeling inside, it's your intuition. It comes after you follow the other steps. It's like a small voice that guides you. Listen to it. It's often right. Napoleon Hill says, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe it can achieve." This means, if you can imagine something, and you believe in it, you can make it happen. Riches do not always mean money. They can be good health, a happy family, a strong mind, or a peaceful life. You just finished the summary of Think and Grow Rich. We hope you learned something new today about success, about your mind, and about English. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel, Earnest English. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep growing. See you in the next video.